how to buy greed token. So as you can see, this token, it's created just right now under this X account called Dave Portnoy. So as you can see, this is the X post, so you can check it out. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check this X post, and as you can see, this token is available on the screener. This token just released 2 hours ago and increased by 3000% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's mean your investment in a safe place. So this token trending number 1 on Solana section. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, to be able to buy this token, open your wallet. For that, I would use the Phantom wallets. So I will just log into my wallet first. So sorry, it seems that the password is wrong. So I will just re-enter it. So what you need to do after you log into your wallet, go and click on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana, of course, on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token on this. So as you can see, this is also going to click on it, and here type how much you want to buy. So as you can see here, you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because most of issues, as you know, it came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy greed token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.